Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm not too sure if this is even recording. Usually, well, I'm just going to talk like this is actually recording. Hi, Poppy. This is Poppy after midnight. And you notice I'm not in the easy chair in the living room. I'm out in the shop. Well, if you recognize that as one of my hand wheel inductible collar blanks, you're right. The other one is over here on my lathe on the cross slide. I got the shear line oversized metric handle wheel. Think about it. It goes to 100. Hand wheel came on, the machine goes to 50. 1,000th here is 2 thousandths on your diameter. With the oversized metric, what we're now calling the 1,000th, actually relates to 1,000th off your diameter. The shear line lathe, that whether or not it's 1,000th is important. Big lathes you can get away with. Too small. Your 1,000th, gotta be 1,000th.